like I got one of these cicada guys. See if we can, he's kind of stuck. He's finding his way out somehow. It's like a big fly, you know, wild. Doesn't want to go anywhere though. Just kind of stuck. Never actually handled one of these. Let me see if he can crawl up on this. There we go. Crawl up on it, buddy. Uh-oh. Come on, wake up. He wants to stay on the grass for some reason. There we go, let go of that. There you go. Hang on. Hang on. That's a good boy. Hey, Diggy. Our neighbor cat right here. What do you think of that guy? Not sure about him, huh? He doesn't care. He's like, I'm not interested in that. Cicada, bug, whatever.